What's up YouTube, it's time to talk about another device which Samsung is going to launch in this month, and this device is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Alongside with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, you will be seeing another device which is Galaxy Note 10 Lite. If you haven't watched my other video about the specification of Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, you can watch it. Its link is in the description as well as in the card as well. You can go there and watch that video. Moving towards the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, it has a similar design just like the Note 10 on the front side, whereas we can see there is a specification difference in it and making it as a kind of a mid-range device for the Note 10 family. So before jumping into the video, if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon as well so you can get notified for every new video which I upload on this channel. First, we talk about the display of this device. In terms of display, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite is coming with a 6.47-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display which has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixel. 20:9 is the aspect ratio is coming inside it, and a 393 ppi density is also present. Since it is an AMOLED display, you will be seeing an in-display fingerprint scanner as well in this device. Front of the device also holds a punch hole camera cutout as well. Next, we talk about the cameras which are present inside the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. We are seeing that the front of the device has a 32 megapixel camera which has an aperture of f2.0, and since the selfie camera has more megapixels than its back camera. So moving on towards the back camera, we are seeing a triple camera setup on the back side where we have 12 megapixel of main camera, 12 megapixel of telephoto lens which has an option of 2x optical zoom, and the last camera is of 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and along with that we are seeing a LED flashlight as well, and all of these cameras are present in a square shape cutout. Next, in terms of processor, we are seeing an old processor in this device, Samsung Exynos 9810 processor in it, and this processor is kind of an old processor, and that processor was launched alongside with Samsung Galaxy S9 in 2018, and this move is probably one of the reasons why Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite is slightly cheaper than the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, which is coming with a Snapdragon 855 processor. The GPU which is coming inside the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite is Mali G72. Next, we talk about the operating system. Well, out of the box you will be seeing Android 10 support inside Note 10 Lite, and it is coming with a Samsung skin of One UI 2. Next thing, we'll talk about the battery which is coming inside this device. In terms of battery, it is coming with a 4500 mAh of a battery, and this battery can be charged with a 25 watt of fast charging brick which will be available inside the device box. Another small highlight of Note 10 Lite is the battery, because 4500 mAh it offers a large capacity than that of pre-installed in normal Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. It can quickly charge up to 25 watt using Samsung fast charging. Interestingly, you will not see a wireless charging here, perhaps as another small measure to reduce the cost of lease to differentiate yourself from other Note smartphones. Next thing is about the memory of this device. There is only one variant which is going to be launched in Note 10 Lite, and it will be of 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. We will see a micro SD card support as well in this device, and it can support up to micro SD card of 512 GB. Next thing, we talk about the color which is coming inside the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and it is coming with 3 different colors: the black, white, blue and red. All these devices will have the same colored S Pen except the white color where you will see a blue pen. Last thing is about the price of this device. Well, the variant of 8GB and 128GB is going to be priced around 630 euros, and which is kind of a great price for this device. So overall, if you look at the device, this device has all the features of a mid-range devices, and it has all the specifications which are coming and making this device as a mid-range Note 10 family. This is the first time which we are seeing that a mid-range Note 10 is going to be launching from Samsung in coming days. So that's it in this video. What you think about this device? Are you going to purchase this device or not? Let me know in the comment section below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in the next exciting video. Peace out.